Hadian ka jing tray shitom barok shisnam kala day sa kapor pan khet ye giso ka jing tray shitom kidon gi bakhet da ka ummat kmen pat kidon pat gi bakhet ye giso da ka jing yam kthang henrei na pedeng kini barok kidon pat gi bakhet ye giso ka jing tray shitom da ka jing hod man sim namar bakila yo kum baki khmi lenti ha ka step jong ka arpun retere ujamang arja arpulai lapan benai ka result matric da ka Meghalaya Board of School Education MBOS nakal yang usulong mel ukurwa ka atiar la yo banya kran bar ki katu ka ni ki khna ki bala wan sakmat ha ka examen matric ki bala pen shisha ya ka jingkran ususu tham baro ubri wastat manu bala panlan la khlem da ple kalat kumnu unlai ban kran na preng gini ki khna u ansh gurung u khna school jong ka St Anthony's u bala wan ha ka kardan ba nyo ha ka top 10 ulai thu ba ka jingya lenti jong u kam dei ka basuk le thuru ka dawba ba punlong u ban tresh tam man wan sakmat ka de jingkran ben jonggi babun baka secondary school jong ka St Anthony's kamla ban sei ki khna ki ban wan sakmat ha ka examen matric henry ha ka class 12 ka bha ka result namar ba kilashim lupa ya ki ba pass sakmat ba de ka ne bo new khna u lakut jingmot ban pen pulom ya ka jingkran jamdaw jonggi babun bat ka khubor ka bola ai ki para samla puli ka long barok kila ban poi sakmat lara ki don ka mon ban tresh tam
I do feel good, but I was a bit disappointed because I was expecting high. But never mind, it's okay. I'm thankful and grateful to everyone. Throughout the year, then it was just 3 to 4 hours every day, but I was consistent throughout the year. Then during the preparation time, the peak time of exams, I was studying an average of 9 to 10 hours.
Okay. How did you manage, like it's very difficult in this social media world we have seen, but how did you manage to give time like 9 hours of studies?
I guess I was not interested in those social media and all. That's why. I guess that's the reason.
Okay.
My inspiration, if I were to be honest, then ever since I was small, there was always, everyone would always criticize our school about our secondary sections result, that we never get rank from our class 10, but we get good rank from class 12 because all they take is good students from other schools. So I guess I wanted to prove them wrong that students from secondary section can get good ranks.
What is your message to those who pass and to those who fail?
To everyone, I would like to say that anyone can do this, as long as you're willing to work hard for it. If I can do it, you all can too. That's all.
Okay. And can you tell your full name?
My name is Ansh Guru.
And how many subjects did you get distinction?
I got distinction in all the subjects.
What is the highest that you got?
99.
99. What is that subject?
Maths, science.
Okay. Congratulations.
Yes, thank you.
Nakaliang Jyoti Priya Bhattacharjee St Margaret School kalau wan haka keran ka baar naka top 10 kala ong. Bakam ladan kam ban puli kat bon kenta. Henry Daypat ban puli pelet jimut, but Dayru ban puli man la kasngi kendiat, kenang ban poi syakathong kum hakani kapor. Katano Shri na po St Margaret Higher Secondary School, kabla yo eka kerdan kabalay, kala panpaw baga jing krekot jongka, kam long kumju man la kasngi, Henry wat la kajing krekot haka klip mat ka bakat ru, Henry kala yarap shibun. Kala panpaw daga jing man ba om day ban shutiang tan, ba yo bam poi syakathong. Nama kajing tiang kapan kelat lut ya baro.
My only message to the young ones is that just be regular and don't worry about anything. It's like you just have to understand and just be regular. It's nothing to worry about, and always remember to do your best and always remember to pray to God. For nothing can be done without God's blessings after all. No, it doesn't require to study 24/7. You just need to understand the concepts and study regularly.
Yeah, like schedule type.
Yes.
Schedule type, yes.
I'm still thinking. I haven't thought about future yet. I'm still
You should be happy. so much. You guys don't be so scared, okay? Study social and 20 chapters. Always be chill. Don't think, oh yeah. Thank you so much. You can, okay? I did not study that much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Don't when I saw the top list, I was like, where is Jyoti Priya? Where is Jyoti Priya? Because she's my like best friend, no? BSF forever. And when I saw Jyoti Priya, I did not see my name. I was like, oh, I'll ignore. But after I saw Jyoti Priya, I was the happiest. Tears just fell and I was so happy. Then I saw my sister was like, hey, your name also is there. Check out. And I was like, oh yeah. But Jyoti Priya, then I called her first. She's the first one that I called. She's also so happy. I would like to thank them, my teachers, especially my sister. I was awake, she was awake. She used to tell me, she's a past student actually. She passed out with bright colors. I'm so happy for this. But I also focused on my extracurricular, like I love debate, I love giving speech, elocution, and even singing, dance, art, everything. I have an art account also in Instagram, even my personal account. I was not like stopping everything. I went with the flow. Endless reels, okay. And then I felt free. Like tomorrow is exam, what should I do? But then I said to myself that it's okay. Calm down. You'll do good. You have studied the whole year, so you'll do good. Just scroll through 2-3 reels. You'll feel okay. Then I saw 2-3 reels, and then I was fine. I never wasted my time actually counting the hours. But sometimes I slept at 12. Sometimes I slept at 3. Some exams I did not sleep. Social science I did not sleep. I just went to give the exam and everything was fresh. Last minute study also helped. Like during the science exam, no, I was so scared that I did not finish reading, like revising all the chapters. So last chapter was from chemistry, the first chapter. So I just saw first line. And nothing came from that chapter. But then also it was very nice, the experience, that the struggle. I would like to thank my endless nights, that I've spent, the sleepless nights. They have helped me so much. My future plans, actually I want to serve the country, the people. My future plans, as you asked, I want to clear the UPSC CSC exams and become an IAS officer or an IPS officer. I would be honored if I go to that, you know. If I even get air, I'm thinking to get air rank, okay, UPSC exam, CSC exam, I will be very honored.
First of all, I want to thank God the Almighty for having blessed our school with good results. Because no matter how much human beings work hard or how intelligent we may be, unless God bless their studies and their examination, nothing could be done. Other years we do have good students, but then we didn't get as much good results with the 2nd, 3rd and 11th rank in the state. And we have many letter marks and highest marks in different subjects. Secondly, I want to thank our teachers who have really worked hard, taking extra classes, extra tests for students, having late classes in December and in January. And I would say they are very sincere in their work and they have great love for the students. Then the parents who work with us collaboratively and who have helped us whenever we call them for any meeting, they are always there. So I want to thank everyone at this juncture. My heart really raised up to God and to all the persons involved in this success. Thank you.
Be happy. 1, 2, 3. Number 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much. Thank you.